Breakfast was a quiet affair, filled with the simple warmth of shared food and gentle company. After breakfast, we fall into our rhythm. Mother wiping the counters, father folding the blankets. It's a quiet harmony.
The rain brings life to the garden. Look at this perfect droplet.
It's like a tiny jewel.
Not that one, sweetie. Try this stronger stem over here.
I got it.
Outside, the world is washed clean by the rain. But in here,
I'm so glad we are all together today. This rain makes the house feel so cozy, doesn't it? Gently now, loop it through there. That's it, you've got it.
This steam feels nice.
It means dinner is almost ready.
And it smells delicious.
it feels so peaceful now that the rain has stopped. Yes, it washed the world clean. It's a lovely evening.
The kitchen looks lovely now. It was a good evening, huh?
It really was. Let's make sure she gets to bed soon.
The rain softened, and with it, the day concluded peacefully. A gentle end to a cozy day.